Just came back from shopping and this is what I got. So the first thing I got is this Foods Banana Dimple. I really like it. It's a color one, so I like it obviously. And yeah, it's good. I cannot spin it on camera. Yes, like this again, but like not get it. Okay. And I have this, a pop-up bracelet. It's really good. I like it. But it does not fit in my hands. It's too small for me. Okay. I'm just gonna flip it off a bit. Okay, that's kind of brown. But it's still kind of big. Look at that. That's big. And yeah, those are just the fidgets that I bought because I love these fidgets. They are the best, by the way. I love any type of fidget like this. It's just like my first dimple and my dream fidget. So like, obviously you are gonna know I love this. So like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Bye.